welcome to my channel. My name is Maria Oga. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to harness the benefit of clove and rosemary oil infusion for hair growth. Clove and rosemary has been used for hair care and growth for centuries now. So I have my clove here and rosemary, and I'll be using this cup as my measuring cup. I'll use 1 cup of rosemary and then 1 cup of cloves. Next step, we'll go ahead and break these herbs into smaller particles. This is to ensure easy and faster infusion into our carrier oil that we'll be using. So I'll be using a mortar to break it down. You can use blender if you have one, food processor, or whatever means you have to break it down. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be using mortar for that. So this is my cloves now. You can see how it has been broken down into smaller pieces. I pounded the cloves first because it's harder. Now I'm adding my rosemary to it. I'll pound the rosemary too for some minutes, a few minutes. And then there we have it, broken down into smaller pieces. You can see it. Just take a look at it. Let me transfer it into a wider bowl so that you can view it properly. Like I said before, the purpose of breaking it down like this, take a look at it, is to ensure proper and faster infusion into our carrier oil. Next, we'll go ahead and put it in this stainless bowl and then introduce our carrier oil into it. Our today's carrier oil is coconut oil. I'll be using this cup for measurements. I'll use 2 of this cup. Coconut oil is also very beneficial to the hair. It moisturizes the hair, treats the scalp, and strengthens our hair strand. So that's 1, and then a second one. Yeah, second one added there. Now you go ahead and mix your herbs with the oil using a spoon. As you stir it, you will notice that the oil is already becoming dark. That is why I said this is the best way to process your rosemary and clove oil. Now let us go into the reason why you have to introduce this into your hair care regimen. Rosemary helps to stimulate blood flow into the scalp, thereby promoting hair growth. It also stops hair fall and strengthens your hair strand. Clove, on the other hand, also promotes growth, treats your scalp of all kinds of blemishes, and stop hair fall. So you can see that the benefit of this oil for hair growth cannot be overemphasized. Next step is to apply heat to the mixture to allow easy and faster infusion. So we'll be using the double boiling method. Double boiling method, as shown in the video, is a process whereby you have water boiling on fire and then you place your stainless container containing the oil into the water. This is a better way of doing it rather than applying fire straight to your oil. Now you have to ensure that the heat is low. We do this on a very low heat. So stir it and allow it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir again to allow even distribution of heat to all parts of the container, because if you don't stir it, the down part will be hotter than the upper part and you might not get the result you desire. So stir again after 10 minutes, leave it for some time and go back to stir it again. Then you can now take it out and allow it to cool. This is our oil now after it has cooled. You see what it's looking like. Next step, we'll turn this oil solution into an airtight container. As you can see, I'm using a bottle. Turn it into the bottle and then cork it. This is our oil. You will now look for a dark side of your kitchen and place it. Allow it to sit there for 7 days. You can actually start using your oil after 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, but the best way is to leave it for 7 days. After 7 days, you can ensure that all contents of the herbs have been properly transferred into the oil, so you have your properly saturated rosemary and clove oil. This is our result after 7 days. See what it looks like. You can see how very dark the oil is looking. So when you bring it out, just ensure to shake it. Shake it very well until it's properly mixed. At this point, go ahead and sieve our oil. You can sieve it using this sieve as shown in the video. If you don't have a sieve, you can use a cheesecloth or any of your chiffon scarf to do it. So sieve out your oil properly. And here is our result. See how dark and saturated it's looking. All concentrated. Now, you can then go ahead and transfer it into an applicator or a spray bottle for use. This is my spray bottle. Yeah, my oil is all ready for use now. So this is me feeding my hair with my newly made hair growth oil and massaging it. Remember to always massage your hair whenever you apply a hair growth product. Now let me know in the comment section how soon you'll be preparing yours. I bet you that your hair will thank you for it and you will notice a difference. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.